Well, hi, ho, and welcome back to Hadrian's Forge. I'm Scott, but you know that already. Today is a wonderful number 4 episode. Number 4, oops. Where we will be making it, uh, uh, other than the pre-started, everything will be made. Any tools will be made. Uh, Today we will be making, replacing the a punch. We're going to be making a chisel style hot cut, and we're going to make a half-inch by eighth-inch, give or take, uh, flat punch. Spot punch, excuse me. So, sounds like an amazingly fun time. Tell me in the comments what you think, what you want to see, anything that I messed up on. For example, I haven't finished the back ends of these. I need to round this over a bit and finish. And anyway, we will do that before they are used in the next video or whenever they are needed. So, like I said, let's go ahead and get our tools made so we can get this forge going. Talk to you then. Moving on. All right, here we go. We're going to deal with the new punch post. As you can see, the taper is not nearly as long. Well, that one was like with this much. So that should give it more mass to support the tip so it doesn't bend like the other one. Now, when you finishing this one off, we're going to want to as we twist it in our hand, like this, um, and file it. We got it. Well, it needs to be. Um, and you can see the real shiny spots, obviously where it's been taken off, and the dark spots are depressions. And since this isn't a drift, but just a punch, it doesn't need to be that accurate and smooth all the way up. It just needs to be really good at the tip. So I'm going to run it a little bit more, see if I can clean up just a hair more. Give me a... Now, this one, as you can see, it has an untipped. It needs to be flat. So we're going to take it and go down, straight down. Clean up just a little on the outside. As you can see, that is nice, level, flat. And the choke is defined as two polished inner planes intersecting. So technically, that is choke. And now let's move on to the hot cut, chisels. Obviously, this isn't round. I'm going to do just a rough grind to see what my face looks like. I'm also going to take and go ahead and flatten this down a little bit and work the edge some. Now, you want your hot. One of the differences between chisels and hot cuts is chisels tend to be more flat this way, and hot cuts tend to have a small round to them. And I said tend to, that's not always the case, but as a majority rule goes, yes. As a general rule of thumb, yes. So I'm going to work this down so it's a little still rounded, but not quite as bulbous. And then I'm going to finish flattening out and grinding out this part. Then we'll actually sharpen it. Now I'm going to let that one cool off. Since our center punch is already done, got a slot punch here next. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and just flatten the top and clean up the sides at first.
Out of curiosity, when you turn this up and down a little bit closer.
Now it's getting a little warm to touch. I'm working on it. It's starting to look pretty good. I'm going to set it down, and I'm going to go back to the cut and hold it at a higher angle and put the edge on it. And that is a nice clean sharp edge on the chisel hot cut. Then go back to the hot punch, or slot punch, sorry. So now we are done. And number 4 forge. This one I'll need to attempt. No, I'm not going to bother. I'm just because I'm pretty sure he's just going to mess it up again. But we've got a 1/2 inch by 1/8 inch slot punch. We've got about a 5/8 inch wide chisel hot cut to add to the number 4 forge tool inventory. And we've got about an 1/8 inch punch. So, now we've walked through how to make them, how to grind them, how to edge them, and how to finish them. So, I think we're done with this one. Anyway, next episode is a 30-minute video project on Wednesday. Hope to see you then. Remember, hit that subscribe and notify button because you want those reminders. And remember, you're all wonderful people. Till next time.